Pur.
Assalamualaikum, Shaykh.
Salamullah.
How are you?
I'm fine, alhamdulillah.
Okay, I've got a question. It would be good if you could explain to me on the correct way of performing ghusl, because I have a daughter who has just turned into a young lady, and I would like to teach her the correct way because I'm not so sure whether what I've done is it the correct way. Thank you.
Barakallah fikum. So Aisha, we've answered this question many times, but inshallah, for the best, we will do it again. Ghusl is divided into two types. Both are valid. The reason for doing ghusl is to uplift a state a Muslim is in, which is major ritual impurity, either resulting from getting clean after menses, and this is for women, or resulting from being in the sexual impurity state, resulting out of intercourse, ejaculation, nocturnal emission, etc. So how to uplift this major ritual impurity so that I can pray? You can perform ghusl. Ghusl is or has two ways. One, the Sunnah way, which is done in steps. The other form of ghusl is the ghusl that suffices, that does the job, but it's not according to the Sunnah. So the other way, which suffices, which most people do, is to open the shower and rinse your mouth like in wudu, rinse your nose like in wudu, and then wash your entire body. So the whole body is soaked, washed with water, running water, and this takes like 60 seconds, 2 minutes, maximum 3 minutes. I'm not talking about using soap or shampooing. No, just washing yourself with water. Similarly, if you just dip yourself in the river or in the ocean, rinse your mouth and nose, it's done. So this is number two. You can pray now. Number one, which is the Sunnah. The Prophet ﷺ way of doing it was to wash your hand 3 times, then wash your private part, then you wash your hands from whatever had gotten to it from your private part, then you perform your wudu normally, and either wash your feet at the end or leave it at the end of the ghusl. Choose either one. Then you put 3 scoops of water in your on your head and rub your scalp so to ensure that water has reached it. Then pour water over your whole body so that ensures that the water has reached every part of your body. Wash your feet, and that's it. This is the proper ghusl, so I hope this answers your question.